Will one of you be good enough to turn out the overhead lights?
It's going to turn into a job.
Reviews: Texas Chainsaw Massacre Part 2. Roll. Hey! This is your old friend Dr. Dread, and let me tell you, if you're looking for a gory movie, something that's, over the top, Texas Chainsaw Massacre 2 might be the one you're looking for. Made in 1986. 12 years after the original Texas Chainsaw Massacre. And, they decided to crank it up a notch. Compared to the first one was tame compared to the second one when it comes into the buckets of blood category. Things you're going to want to, might know about. I'm going to tell you a little bit about the movie. So, Dennis Hopper. How did they get Dennis Hopper to play in this? I don't know. Made for about, under $5 million, but Dennis Hopper's salary probably had to take up a big chunk. He plays Lefty. He's the good guy. A little off. Also in this film is Bill Moseley, who some of you might remember, recognize. Probably won't recognize him as that guy who plays in the Rob Zombie movies. That's right. He plays Chop Top in this one, and he has a steel plate in his head. Tom Savini, the master of makeup, did a wonderful job making up the characters. I mean, they just look bizarre, creepy, and I liked the film. I liked it. I have a dark sense of humor. Now, some of you out there, without my morbid sense of humor, may not like this film that much. It is over the top gore, which makes it almost a comedy. I would recommend this movie to anybody who liked the first one. It started the franchise rolling again after a stagnant 12 years. And number 3 came in and it pretty much killed the franchise, in my humble opinion. But it kept going. And it probably will. Texas Chainsaw Massacre 2. I give it 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3 skulls. And if so inclined, might make it funnier, right? Texas Chainsaw 2, 3 skulls, 3.5 skulls. Not quite a 4. Your friend Dr. Dread. I enjoyed the film. I thought it was funny. See you next week. And remember, as always, my friends, keep it scared.
Will one of you be good enough to turn out the overhead lights?
It's going to turn into a job.